Bismillah. Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Muhdan Sharofi. Here I will present our research entitled Utilization of Big Data in Oil Palm Plantation to Predict Production Using Artificial Neural Network Model. As we know, the area of oil palm plantation in Indonesia continues to increase. From 2011 to 2019, the increment more than 5 million hectares, where the private and smallholder dominate planted area with more than 40%. However, the productivity of oil palm plantation in Indonesia is still low. The average production of smallholder and large plantation is around 15 to 20 tons per hectare per year, whereas by only applying BMP productivity can be increased up to 35 tons per hectare per year. Many factors cause the low of productivity of oil palm plantation, including illegitimate shade, especially for smallholders, soil and climate are not suitable, and improper technical culture. On the other hand, oil palm has been planted in Indonesia for more than 100 years in various types of soil, climates, and various technical culture aspects. Surely, it will produce a lot of data, especially data that causes a decrease in production, and it should be able to generate big data. The problem in the past, data is often stored locally, and the potential for data loss is enormous. Now the problem is solved because IoT can make it easier for data collection to be centralized. The next problem is what can we do with big data? One of the use of big data is to make predictive model. Prediction oil palm production is very useful for plantation to plan activities, especially those related to more effective and efficient financing. Artificial neural network in the last decade called machine or deep learning is the one of the methods that can be used for prediction based on big data. Several studies related to the use of INN model in oil palm. However, the previous study has not explored many input variables that are always recorded on the plantation, not consider the time-lag factor and long-term shares data, and the prediction result are less applicable if replicated on the plantation. So this research aims to predict oil palm production using the INN model by utilizing data recorded on the plantations. This study uses historical oil palm plantation data for 11 years. The total dataset used is 1182 data points. The total input is 24 data, and the output will be the target of the prediction is the yield. On the research method stage divided on three parts. First, data pre-processing, second, model development, and third is model evaluation. Development model tools use Python 3.7 with Keras and TensorFlow library, and INN architecture use 24, 25, 35, 25, 1. The activation function uses ReLU for input and a hidden layer, sigmoid for the output layer. Backpropagation uses Adam optimizer and error function uses MAPE. For the result, the graph on the left shows a pattern between yield and water deficit. The effect of water deficit tends to affect production in the first year after. Therefore, the rainfall data used in the dataset is 1 year lag. The graph on the right shows the number of logs based on palm age and progeny as a data point that make up variation in the training process. For model training, at the beginning of the iteration, the resulting MAPE value is very large. The lowest MAPE at 992 epochs, which is about 11%. This indicates the weights and bias are quite good. For model validation, the INN model is quite good predicting the production 107 sample block with an overall MAPE is about 14%. For model testing and evaluation based on block by data in 2021, in some blocks the level of accuracy is poor, which is indicated by a large gap between the prediction and actual. But the overall MAPE generated from 100 12 blocks is about 10%. This is better than during training and validation. For the model testing and evaluation based on division and state, various values are obtained with the smallest mapping in division 2 and the largest in division 5. The actual and predicted gaps are not very different. For model testing and evaluation based on PalmS, the residual mapping value also varies between 2 until 42%. The number of test dataset is dominated by 15, 16, and 17 years, where the overall FAB production with the actual and predicted value does not show how much different gap. Based on progeny, the lowest mapping value on TS progeny and highest in colonel. The progeny that dominate FAB production are Velda, Lonsum, and VPKS with accuracy does not differ between the prediction and actual. These graphs show more clearly how the error can occur in the clone progeny. Compare the other progeny area, planted area of clonal is smaller. The production clonal is unique because compared to the same age, the clonal progeny has a higher production. During the training, the model tends to learn patterns that occur based on the input process for accessing progeny. The correlation test also carry out between the actual and prediction for each division and estate. Overall, the R value for estate is 0.96. For the conclusion, the NN model can effectively predict oil palm production. The accuracy of model will be better if the data used during training represent the overall condition of the plantation production. Further research is needed on the target output yield and FFA production per month. Thank you.